Hello all, I'm Bhavna from BCom CA. Today I'm going to take about inside class definition. In a C++ program, Defi constructors and elements inside a class definition refers to declining and potentially defining data members and members function within the clearly basis that enclosing the class. Key accept of elements defined inside a class: data members, member function, methods, constructors and deconstructors. Inside class, data members. There are variables that belong to the class and stores data specified to each object created from that class. They are declared within the class definition, often with access specifiers like public, private or protector. Protector C++. Class my class, private, int my private data members, public, standard, string my public string, another data members, close bracket. Member function method. There are functions that orated on the data members of the class. When defined inside the class, their declaration and implementation are both within the class's scope. Class my class, public, void, print message, members function defined inside the class. Standard code, hello from my class, student enable, close bracket. Constructor and deconstruction special members function that hand object creation and deconstructor respectively. They are also typical defined with the class or declared within the class and defining outside. Nested class. It is possible to define one class entire within another class. The inner class is then members of the outer class and its scope is limited to the outer class. Class outer class, public, class inner class, instead class, public, void, display inner, standard code, instead inner class, standard end. Advantage of defining inside the class. From small simple function, defining them within the class can improve code reliably as the function's purpose and implementation visible alongside its declaration. Automatic incline from some functions. Member functions defined inside the class are automatically constructed for inner by the compiler, which can lead to perform optimization for short called functions. Consideration. For complex and lightly members function, it is generally better practice to declare them inside the class and define them outside the class using the scope resolution protector to maintain a clear specification between interference and implementation. The choice between defining inside or outside depends on factors like function, companies, constructors and code organization performance. Thank you.